The red tape seller, he was walking and walking in the forest. He was so tired that he was fallen down on the ground, and he was thinking that the death was very near to him. When he was fallen down on the ground because of extremely tiredness, at that time he listened the sound, and it was the sound of hammer. He assumed that there might be a mill in the forest near him, and after then he found one mill. It was Rancho's iron mill. He entered in that mill. He opened the gate and he entered in that mill. At that time, in that mill there were two persons. One was blacksmith and another was helper. One person who was working under the blacksmith. But the blacksmith did not notice. He had no idea that one person entered in his mill. From that point, let us start. It was probably on account of all this noise that the blacksmith did not notice. The blacksmith did not notice because one reason was too much noise. Which thing he did not notice? That a man had opened the gate. Gate means here the gate of mill, and entered the forge. And one person opened the gate of the mill and already entered at the forge. Forge is a place where they give a shape to the metal. That is forge. Until he stood close up to the furnace. The red tape seller entered in the mill and he came and he stood near the furnace. Furnace is a kind of fireplace. But no any person here, the blacksmith did not notice this. He asked permission. Now the red tape seller, he asked the permission to stay, because the red tape seller was so tired that he wanted only the shelter for a night, because he was in the forest. So he wanted the shelter only for a night, so he asked the permission. He asked permission to stay, and the master blacksmith nodded a hearty consent, and the blacksmith gave him permission. Nodded means a kind of gesture of head. If you want to say yes without speaking, then you will move your head up and down and you say in this way. That means yes. So this is called nodding. Nod. If you want to say no without speaking the word no, then what you will do? You will do like this. This is a kind of gesture. So it is called no. So this gesture is called nod. So the blacksmith nodded. He gave him permission. Hearty consent. Consent means permission. Haughty means arrogance. The blacksmith had a kind of ego and he gave permission. He had a kind of superiority. So he gave permission, consent, without honoring him, without giving respect to the red tape seller. With a single word, the blacksmith did not speak a single word. Only by the gesture of head, only by nodding, he gave permission. and he gave permission. At that time he had some ego, because the rat trap seller was looking very ordinary person. His clothes were torn, he had a long beard, etc. So perhaps the blacksmith was thinking himself superior to the rat trap seller, so he gave permission. In those days, the Ramsjo's iron mill was owned by a very prominent iron master. Master, one meaning is honor. Prominent means famous. In those days, this mill, this company, Ramsjo's iron mill, was owned. One means the owner of that mill was a famous person, iron master. We can call him Iron Master because name is not written here. So he was the boss of this mill. He was in the charge of this mill. Yeah, we can say in other words that one person, this person, Iron Master, he was the owner of this mill. At this very moment he came into the forge, and at this very moment, this very juncture, he came. Why he came? He was a boss. He came for inspection. He came to see and check that people in this mill are working properly or not. So he came. At this very moment, he came into the forge on one of his nighty rounds of inspection. He came at night. It was his night round of inspection. And the boss, means the iron master, had seen the rat trap seller. He walked close up to him. He came very near to the rat trap seller, looked at him over very carefully. He observed very carefully. He looked at the rat trap seller, and the iron master made a mistake. He misunderstood the rat trap seller. Iron master, yes, the iron master, he was thinking the rat trap seller as his old friend. Name is also here, that is Nils Olof. And in reality, rat trap seller was not his old friend Nils Olof, but iron master was thinking the rat trap seller as his old friend, and he was calling him as Nils Olof. So Nils Olof, who was the friend of iron master, and he was a army man, Nils Olof. But of course, it is you, Nils Olof, he said. He said means here Iron Master. Iron Master said to the rat trap seller that, oh, you are my friend Nils Olof. Nils Olof. And Iron Master was continuing. He was telling, you should not have resigned from the regiment. Regiment means the unit of army. Iron Master was telling to rat trap seller that, my friend, you have given resignation. You are not now working. You are not doing the job as a soldier, as an army man. You should not give resignation. It is your mistake. You should not do this thing. In this way he was telling, you should not have resigned from the regiment, said the Iron Master. That was the mistake. It is your mistake. You should not give resignation. If only I had still been in the service at the time, it never would have happened. Instead of you, if I would, in place of you, then I would have not given resign. But you have given resign, you have committed mistake. You should not give resignation as a army man. So he was speaking in this way to the rat trap seller. He was thinking rat trap seller as his friend Niels Olof. And that's why he also invited Red Seller to his home.